Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to open a demo account on MetaTrader 5, wherever you're just starting out or want to practice new trading strategies risk-free. This video is for you. Let's dive in. First step is to download and install MetaTrader 5. First, download the MetaTrader 5 app from your preferred app store and install it on your PC. Once installed, open the app and allow necessary permission like notifications. Tap Accept to agree in MetaTrader's 5 terms of service and privacy policy. Second step is to open a demo account. When prompted, tap and open a demo account. Enter the details such as your name, email address, phone number which is optional, and set your account preferences including leverage, which is the risk level, and deposit amount starting balance for your demo account. Third step is to verify and complete account setup. After filling in your details, tap Submit. You'll automatically be directed to the Codes tab with your demo account ready to use. Tap on Settings at the bottom right, then tap on your account information to verify that your demo account is active. On to the fourth step is to customize your demo account settings. Go to Settings and select Trade Accounts to adjust your preferences. Change leverage for the different risk level, and adjust balance to reflect different start funds. Switch base currencies to diverse trading practice. The fifth is to add new instrument to watch list. After that, placing your first demo on the trade. Go to the Codes and then New Order. From there, customize your volume, order type, and then hit Buy and Sell. Seventh step is to analyzing market trends. Tap on Charts, add indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. 8 is to tracking performance. Check History tab for summary of your past trades. And then the last one is practicing with a demo account on MetaTrader 5 is essential for mastering trading strategies without any financial risk. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Happy trading!